Welcome back to Morgborg Tech. In this video, I'm coming at you with a phone that cost me a grand total of $2.72. So this incredibly cheap phone, how did I get it? I won an auction on eBay. I was the highest bidder for this phone. The final bid was $250, and after taxes, shipping was free, by the way. This came out to $272. So that's how much I was able to get this phone in my possession for. And I'll be unboxing it in this video. So this is the Alcatel 356 for H2O Wireless, as you can tell. And if you look down here, you see 2012, so this phone is roughly 11 years old. H2O Wireless is a rather obscure MVNO. They still exist. I haven't really heard anything about them in a long time, though. Well, I'm surprised they're still around even. But they run on AT&T. So this is in a clamshell box here that I'm going to need something like this to open, which I'll do off camera later. And otherwise, there's not really too much with this box. No specs or anything. Lots of fine print though. And just telling you that they have unlimited talk and text plans. So that's about it with the box. And I'll go ahead and open it up and come back when I'm done. So if you're wondering how I attacked this package, I actually did not need that big cutting tool that I showed you earlier. Instead, I made a little cut in the side of the plastic, just kind of poked it a little with the knife. And then I worked my way around with these scissors all the way up to the edge here. And stuff is starting to fall out, so I'll be careful. And with that out of the way, let's take a look at the contents. I got this box here, so it just comes up like this. Let's get this phone out of here. As you can tell, it looks pretty generic right now, but let's keep digging. Here's the back cover with no carrier branding whatsoever. Interestingly enough, here's some headphones. Looks like they connect via mini USB. Here's a charger, mini USB as well, fixed to the brick. Here's our SIM card. I'm not sure if I'll need this or not. I might just stick it in the phone anyway. And it looks like it has a cutout for micro SIM, so of course this is during the era when smartphones were starting to get popular. So they had micro SIMs in earlier smartphones. Here's a bag here, maybe for some kind of recycling. And another bag. Looks like something went in here. Alright, so it looks like the battery. The battery's a little bloated, interesting enough. Hopefully it still works. It doesn't look too bad right now, but I might have to get rid of this at some point. And this bag here probably went to this back cover. Maybe. I might be wrong about that. Here's one piece of documentation here. Looks like it's not really in order. Maybe it opens up like a book. Let's see. So this is actually in Spanish, weirdly enough. I don't see any English on here. I have to wonder if this phone was sold somewhere, mostly with Spanish speakers. However, this has English and Spanish. As you can tell, this is new enough to where 4G LTE was a thing. This looks like it's telling you how to activate and reload your balance. That looks like everything for the box, so I'll go ahead and get cleaned up and then come back when I'm done. Alright, so now we should have what we need to be able to proceed. Let's start with the SIM card here. Looks like it just goes right there. Kind of clicks into place. Install the battery. Like I said, it's a little bloated, so it'll be sticking out. And let's get the back cover on. Picked up a little bit of dust. Let's see if I can get this on all the way. I don't want to break this back cover, so I'll do the best I can. Looks like I got it on pretty well. It's sticking up just a little bit. But I'm not going to keep the battery in here, because otherwise this back cover will warp. I don't want that to happen. So I'll go ahead and peel off this screen protector. Nice. Alright, so let's take a look around the phone. Starting on the left side here, this is a micro SD card slot. Empty right now. On the bottom, looks like there's nothing. On the right side here is mini USB. On the top is the port. You put your finger to remove the back cover. On the back is a camera. Looks like there would be room for a flash, but I don't see one there. And there's the Alcatel logo. On the front is the earpiece, our screen with a rather large bezel, the Alcatel logo again. And these, I'm guessing, are some sort of menu buttons. They aren't really labeled, so there's no easy way of telling. This looks like navigation. Again, not labeled. Send, end, and power. And our standard QWERTY with numbers right there. That's how you dial, is use those numbers. So let's see if this phone has any juice. I wasn't expecting any juice out of this, so I'll see if I can get this phone plugged in and charged for a little bit, and then I'll come back with the results. Alright guys, so I wasn't able to get this phone powered on at all. I'm not sure why, if it's some issue with the charger, the battery, or the phone itself. So I'm going to just end this video here. And with that, this has been the unboxing of a $2.72 phone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.